Hi everybody, it's Mr. Morris, and I need to talk to you guys about how to take your Sitomer and make it ready for your project. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Sitomer, as you're looking at it right here. Okay, we are going to highlight the entire thing, so let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, and I'm going to copy, and I'm going to paste it on a new Google document. Okay, why am I doing that? Because I want to get rid of the box, and I want to get rid of all this other stuff, and all I want is that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my thesis, which is my blue sentence, with my one red subclaim and my one purple subclaim. I'm going to separate it from my evidence. And then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to separate my two pieces of evidence. And I'm going to go down here and separate my conclusion. Next, I'm going to go back here and make everything 24-point sized. Okay, now here's the tricky part. I need to go up here and write the word thesis above it. I need to go above my evidence and write the words evidence, or first evidence, sorry. First evidence there. Second evidence here. And then, of course, down here, I need to write the word conclusion. Okay. Now, I'm going to make everything black. Go over here to color. Make everything black. Now, watch this. I want everything to be on its own page. So I am going to move this down. Keep moving it down until it's right here on that page. All right, it's a little bit big, so I am going to shrink this to fit on this page. So I'm going to go up here, minus, minus. Okay, now it fits on the page. I'm going to move this over to the middle. I'm going to do this same thing here. Now let's go back to the second evidence. All right, let me bring it up a little bit. All right, move this over to the middle. That also does not fit, so I'm going to shrink it a little bit. There, now it fits on the page. And of course, this conclusion easily fits on that last page. Bring that over to the middle. All right, so now I have my thesis here. This is 24-point font. I have my first evidence, I have my second evidence, and I have my conclusion on its own sheets. Now, if I can double check it, thesis, yep, one sheet. First evidence, yep. Second evidence, absolutely. And my conclusion. Okay. Now, I'm not done yet. Now I have to go over here and I have to grab my bibliography. Copy. And this has to be on its own piece of paper as well. I'm also going to make this 24-point font. Oh, it doesn't fit, so I have to make it fit. Maybe it'll fit if I back this up. And yep, it fits. So it's on its own piece of paper. So now I have 5 pieces of paper. Let's take a look. Thesis is 1, first evidence 2, second evidence 3, conclusion 4, and of course my bibliography is 5. Once you have done this, You are going to share this with me. So go over here. Okay, name it. Just name it Project Sitomer to print. Okay. Looks good. Go over here, and I'm going to share it to Mr. Morris. So Kurt Morris. Well, I can't share it to myself because I already own it. So let's just say you type in Mr. Morris. Then you are going to send it to me to print. You're going to send it to me to print so I can print it for you. And when I print it for you, if you are a trifold, you are going to cut this into a piece of paper big enough to put on the front of your paper. This is the evidence that goes on the side panel. This is the evidence that goes on the side panel. This is the conclusion that goes down below the thesis on the front panel. And of course, this bibliography goes on the back of your trifold. If you're making a model, all these things will be stapled together and be laying next to your project. All right, this is what you need to do, and this is what you have to get done today. So you should have your paper printed and in your hand today at the end of the period. Bye.